This video is an instructional tool owned by the Division of Negros Oriental. The division acknowledges the intellectual property rights of the owner of the pictures, illustrations, music, and other similar materials used. This video is made to address the need of grade 7 learners of Negros Oriental, especially in this time of pandemic.
Good day, math learners! My name is Teacher Charity, and I am here to help you excel in math. My favorite things about teaching these subjects are seeing your skills develop so fast, sharing my passion in absolute value of a number, and helping you achieve the best results. So get ready with your pen and paper or notebook, and let's do this! Before we start with our topic, let us first recall our previous lesson. Our previous lesson was solving problems involving sets with the use of Venn diagram. Let us first remember what a Venn diagram is.
A Venn diagram is a widely used diagram style that shows the logical relation between sets popularized by John Venn in the 1880s. And it uses overlapping circles or other shapes to illustrate the logical relationships between two or more sets of items. Often, they serve to graphically organize things, highlighting how the items are similar and different. How to solve problems involving sets with the use of the Venn diagram. When solving problems involving sets with the use of the Venn diagram, always remember these clue words or terms being used or what is asked in a problem. For union, we have or. Intersection, we have and or all three. For complement, we have neither nor if two sets or neither of the three. Or sometimes you will encounter but not. It means complement, meaning not included. The same with difference, but not, meaning you take away so. But not. But not, it could be complement or difference, and then only for difference.
So that's it! I know you are all ready for another topic. Okay, let's go!
But before that, these are the objectives of the topic. You are expected to describe the absolute value of a number line. Next, illustrate the absolute value of a number on a number line. And solve for the absolute value of a given number.
You have worked with numbers on a number line. You know how to graph numbers on the number line when you were still in elementary.
There are other kinds of numbers that can be graphed on the number line. Look at the number line. On the number line, there are 4 units from 0 to 4. There are 6 units from 0 to -6. There are 5 units from 0 to 5. There are 2 units from 0 to -2. The number of units from 0 to any given integer represents the absolute value of the integer.
So what do you think is our topic for today? You got it right! Okay, our lesson for today is all about the absolute value of a number.
Always remember, the absolute value of a number is the distance on the number line between the number and 0 without any regards to its direction. Thus, the absolute value of a number is always positive or 0. The number line shows all the integers between and including -5 and 5. Notice that the positive integers go to the right, 1, 2, 3, and so on. The negative integers go to the left, -1, -2, -3, and so on. To write the absolute value of a number, use short vertical lines on both sides of a number. For example, the absolute value of -3 is written as. Notice that distance is always positive or 0. The absolute value of -3 is equal to 3, as -3 is 3 units away from 0 and the absolute value of 3 is equal to 3, as 3 is 3 units away from 0. Opposites. You may have noticed that, except for 0, the integers come in pairs of negative and positive numbers, like -2 and 2, -10 and 10, and so on. Each number is the opposite of the other number in the pair. A number and its opposite are the same distance from 0, so they have the same absolute value. Below is a general approach on how to break them down into two equations to arrive with correct solutions. The absolute value of x is equal to a has two solutions. X is equal to a and x is equal to -a. So, the absolute value of x is equal to 100 has two solutions. X is equal to 100 and x is equal to -100.
Good job! So now, you've already learned how to represent the absolute value of a number. Now, let us test your new learned skills. Be ready with your pen and paper or notebook.
You will be given 5 seconds to answer the following questions. Number 1. What is the absolute value of -34? Time starts now. The answer is 34. Number 2. The number line below illustrates the absolute value of which number? Time starts now. The answer is 5. Number 3. Peter owes his friend 20 pesos. How much is Peter's debt? Plot your solution on the number line and find the absolute value of his debt. Time starts now. The answer is 20. Peter owes his friend 20 pesos.
Wow! You are really doing great! Thank you so much for learning with me. I'm hoping in the next video lesson, these new skills will help you learn more safely in your home. So keep on practicing, stay at home, and stay safe. Again, this is Teacher Charity saying, ang batang alerto sa numero, ganado! Thank you for watching! Bye!